यार भी अटापटा हो गया गाइस। ओ माय गॉड। देख सकते हो गाइस, जो जजस ने बैठा है पूरा चार भी उल्टे हो गया है। यहाँ पर यहाँ पर क्या मर गया हटा दिया मर गया नहीं क्लास नहीं
What is actually you wanted to prove? What actually to be proved today? You retaliated to make somebody in hospital.
like that.
The issue was in ring. If any problem, you need to complain officially. If any problem, the Mizoram team complain officially that this is the fault. This is the fault. They have shown me this. You need to complain this. Can you hit somebody outside the ring?
Even outside the ring, they pushed us, not inside the ring. That's not what they're saying.
They are not in hospital. The person, they might push you, but they are in hospital now. What are you saying? If they push, you need to complain it properly. This is not a war zone. कहीं में तुम गोली लेकर fight कर रहे हो. This is the fight in the ring. Fight in the ring have their own rules. We have our rules. That if this happens, there will be problem. Then we will complain this way. It happened with Manipur today. 3 hours we had stopped the ring, but it was solved. Why a fighter should be in the hospital?
So what are you meaning to say? As long as somebody doesn't end up in the hospital, everything's okay? That's not the case, right?
But do you want to?
That's the case.
Do you want to say that somebody is in the hospital? There is an issue.
Accident is
Residents talking, please.
Look, not please. Don't say. See, don't say. Everybody is looking here. Everyone has seen the scenes. Do you want everyone to get the proof? I came here. I was just out there. I came here back with all everybody's complaint. Why this should happen? We are fighters. We are fighting in the ring. Any issues will be complaining in an official way. Why this should happen? It will be solved in the official way. It has been solved with Manipur.
Sir, we have called you so many times.
Whom?
Me.
To you.
अरे खेलो जी होचे